This video I will explain Debt Snowball versus Debt Avalanche method. Which one works better? What is debt? Debt is a money you borrowed, like credit cards, loans, EMIs, that you have to pay back, usually with interest. Paying off debt can be overwhelming if you have many loans at once. Two popular ways to clear the debt are the snowball method and the avalanche method. Now we will see debt snowball method. You list all your debts from smallest balance to largest balance, no matter the interest rate. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once the smallest debt is gone, you move to the next smallest and so on. Every time you clear the debt, it feels like small win, which keeps you motivated. For example, credit card A is $500, loan B is $1,500, loan C is $5,000. You pay off credit card A first, then loan B, then loan C. In this approach, the pros are quick wins give you the motivation and confidence, simple and easy to follow. In this method, cons are you might end up paying more interest overall because you are not focusing on high interest debt first. Now we will see debt avalanche method. You list all your debts by interest rate from highest to lowest. Focus on paying off the highest interest rate debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that is cleared, move to the next high interest rate debt and so on. For example, credit card A is $500 at 5% interest. Loan B is $1,500 at 20% interest. Loan C is $5,000 at 10% interest. In this example, highest interest rate is loan B, then loan C, then credit card A. So you pay off loan B first, which is highest interest rate, then loan C, then credit card A. In this method, pros are you save the most money on interest, clears debt in the fastest and most cost effective way. In this method, cons are it may take longer to see the progress, which can feel discouraging, needs more discipline and patience. Now we will see which method works better. If you need motivation and quick wins to stay consistent, the snowball method works better. If you want to save the most money and get out of debt faster, then the avalanche method is better. In short, snowball method is equal to motivation first, math later. Avalanche method is equal to math first, motivation later. Both methods work if you stick with them. The best one depends on your personality. Do you prefer quick wins or maximum savings?